Hello friends, welcome to my channel of more and more food, flavor, color and celebration. And Navratra special, I am making a very delicious delicacy which is made in Vietnam and also in Thailand. Okay, and basically it's sago jaggery coconut pudding. But I am going to turn this into a halwa. And how I'm going to do that, you can see right away. I have taken half cup sabudana which I have soaked in water. Okay, and to this I am going to add jaggery and I'll require some coconut milk. So coconut milk I'm taking ready-made. You can remove fresh coconut milk also in your house. You don't require any nuts, nothing at all to it. If you want, you can sprinkle some coconut on top. So to this I'm going to add some ghee, tablespoon ghee here. Just a tablespoon ghee. And to this I'm going to add the sago along with the water because I want this to cook. And we required jaggery. So I'm going to take half cup jaggery. On the gas, take a neat clean spatula and we have to cook this. Very simple, very yummy and excellent halwa, I would say. I have eaten the pudding and I'm sure the halwa is going to be equally very tasty. It's a great combination. And since it is Navratra going on, then I would say it's perfect. Perfect time to make it. Healthy also because you are adding jaggery. You have to cook this. It has to become translucent, the sago. And once it is translucent, I will add the jaggery to it. It's a mind-blowing recipe. So I will cook this, and once it is translucent, we will go ahead and add jaggery to this. So I'll see you in 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how it is looking. It's almost transparent, and now we will add half cup jaggery to this. Even the jaggery is going to melt, and again there will be little liquid in this. It's a bit of runny halwa. Once the jaggery melts, I will allow this sago to cook in its own heat here. And once it is not completely cooled down but semi cooled down, I will add the coconut milk. Adding cardamom powder and all is your choice. The sagu or sabudana is cooked completely. I'll switch off the gas now. It will take at least 1 hour for this to come to a warm consistency. That's when we will add the coconut milk. So I will see you in an hour. After an hour, this is how it is. Friends, here is our delicious sabudana halwa. Don't forget, for half cup sabudana I have taken half cup jaggery. तो ये इसी तरह से दिखती है ये. ओके, अब इसमें हम डालेंगे कोकोनट मिल्क. तो कोकोनट मिल्क आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड इज अराउंड हाफ कप. हाफ कप कोकोनट मिल्क हम डालेंगे. पहले मैं 1/4 कप डालती हूँ. Please note, even if you take fresh coconut milk, take the thick part only to make this recipe. आप इसे ठंडा भी खा सकते हैं और आप इसे गर्म भी खा सकते हैं. उतना ही बनाएं जितना खा सकते हैं. मेरे लिए 1/4 कप कोकोनट वॉज मोर देन सफिशिएंट. आपको लगता है कि ये कम है तो आप और ज्यादा कोकोनट मिल्क डाल सकते हैं. सो फॉर मी दिस इज मोर देन सफिशिएंट. मोर देन सफिशिएंट है ये. मैं इससे ज्यादा कोकोनट मिल्क नहीं डालूंगी. आप चाहे तो आपके हलवे के ऊपर भी पोर कर सकते हैं. तो ये रहा हमारा साबूदाना, जैगरी और कोकोनट का नवरात्रा स्पेशल हलवा. इसे ज़रूर बनाएं और ज़रूर कमेंट्स में डालें आपको कैसा लगा. सो फ्रेंड्स, इफ़ यू हैव लाइक्ड माय रेसिपी देन प्लीज़ गिव अ लाइक, शेयर and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you soon. Till then, you take very good care of yourself. Be at home, be safe. Bye-bye. This is a very new type of recipe, so definitely give it a try. Here is the delicious Navratra halwa made out of 4 ingredients: ghee, sabudana, jaggery and coconut milk. Do make this recipe, and I'm plating the halwa and I have poured the extra coconut milk on top of it and garnishing with some fresh coconut. Happy Navratri to all of you. Take good care of yourself. Bye.